Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir did reaction back with other reaction with You Won't Believe His Voice, Cakra Khan 6 song. I know Cakra Khan, I've been reacting to him and he have a huge voice and I have so long time and I don't react about him, but this will change my mind and I'll be back here. So my name is Samir from Algeria, North Africa, between Morocco and Tunisia, the reaction music video and travel and anything, enjoy and be like happy to make this for you. And it is amazing to be in YouTube here, have this huge subscriber and like, comment, and being so happy because I have depression, it is attack for a long time, and music and everything in YouTube here to make me be busy help me so much. And being here, thank you for that, be for like or subscribing. And if you want to support this channel, anything you want you give here, it is means so much to me. And thank you. And let's go right now with 3 2 1. It is coming right now. Let's go.
How are you?
I'm good.
Who are you?
My name is Cakra Khan. I'm from Indonesia. I'm 31 years old.
Wow.
31 years old.
So you are a singer, yeah?
Yes.
What kind of music do you love and what kind of song will you be singing for us today?
I do really love blues. I do really love soul music. And I'm going to be singing soul music.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's called Make It Rain.
Make It Rain.
Make It Rain, yeah.
I want to know, if you would win this, what would you do with $1 million?
I want to have animal shelter.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you do? That is so nice. Sing away.
Thank you.
The stage is yours.
Okay.
Sins of my father will not let me go.
Wow.
And I know that can come fire from the sky to refine the purest of keys. Even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, just the same, make it right, make it right.
Simon, you don't like the song?
I think you have a great voice. I didn't like the track, though. Did you bring another song with you?
Yes,
Okay, great. Great. Let's do it.
I grew up with Bob Marley, and my late father used to play this song all the time before I go to school. So there's No Woman to Cry.
Okay. I just song to see his voice, to feel his voice, like something going on with him, like he's feeling in.
Said I remember when we used to say in a government church in Trenchtown. Over serving the hypocrite. Mingle with the good people and me. Good friends we have, good friends we lost.
Wow.
I mean, you have a very unique, very sexy, very raspy voice. Wow. I mean, you do have a voice that really stands out, that you will not forget. It's very, very special.
Thank you.
What did you think, Simon?
It's so rare to hear voices like that. The second song, Getting to Know You, makes you more interesting. It makes me feel like you're more of an artist. I absolutely love your voice. Love it.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was so special to hear you sing that.
Yeah.
You made it all yours. I mean, and that voice of yours is spectacular.
Very memorable, unique voice. Everybody was on their feet, and we could feel the emotion. You're amazing.
Yes!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right, let's vote. Howie.
Yes.
Second yes from me.
Of
Sophia.
course, yes!
Simon.
4 yeses.
We got 4 yeses.
Thank you. He's good.
Cakra Khan, give me a hug, man. Your spirit is amazing.
He's got a great sounding voice,
Yeah.
and it's a unique voice. Like when you hear that,
Beautiful.
you're gonna know it's him.
Yes.
You are incredible.
I'm ready.
Oh, you flew a long way and it was worth it. All right, God bless you. Cakra Khan is so amazing. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow, Cakra Khan, I never forget this name, you know. He have a huge voice, and when you listen to this and you're touching with the second song he make it so touching in your heart, and you feel in these words everything, you feel everything what's going on, and there's like connection with the song, and then you cry like something going on with you, and I feel it, yeah, I feel it. I feel this power of his voice, I feel everything. So if you want to support Cakra Khan, if you want to support him, go support him and support me to make more reaction about him. That means so much to me if you do that. And thank you for being here. Thank you so much, and peace, love. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much.